Hello, my name's Stu. I work for Robert White. We're a photographic dealer, and today I'd like to show you the Arca Z1 ball head. The Z1 is a follow-on from the original Arca B1. It has an improved mechanical design inside, far less prone to the usual jamming and blocking of some other ball heads in the past. Unlike many other ball heads, Arca heads are actually an elliptical design. One problem with ball heads is that when you loosen them and you turn the camera onto the side, everything just sort of goes flop. The Arca heads have an elliptical or a spherical design, which means that when you rotate from a conventional landscape position to a portrait position, it actually tightens and gives you a bit more support. The Arca heads have a control dial on the side. We can very precisely control the amount of tension that we want to take place when our camera is mounted. We also have an additional thumb screw. This is used to set our minimum tension. It's very rare that people need to adjust this, but should you wish to do so, if you felt you were going to be using a very large, heavy camera lens combination, we can set a minimum amount of tension here. What I tend to simply do is use the gradated scale on the top, set the tension that I know is going to be correct for my exact camera lens combination, and I know that that is going to be positioned correctly. This particular head has one of the Arca Swiss quick release systems. This has a mere clamp design, so this is a quick set device. They also do quick set flip lock, which has a lever type position. This one uses a conventional clamp. So if I take my D700, which in this case is using a Zeiss 50mm macro, and I position the camera so into the position on the plate, and I'm holding the camera very securely, then I'm doing the clamp up, so everything is now very, very tight. I particularly like this form of quick release because it means that I know that once I've done that up, everything is absolutely secure. The moment I start to loosen it, I make sure I have a good hold on the camera or the lens, and I can remove it. So very, very simple to do. In addition, I move around, we have a base pan. So once set up, I can rotate the camera, very useful for stitching. It's also available in a double pan version. This has an additional pan facility instead of at the base, but directly beneath the tripod plate. This means that once fully leveled, I always rotate on a level axis. The fourth or fifth item that I should really mention is that Arca now have a little slide fix system, a smaller type of quick release plate. Their latest generation quick releases will also take this smaller system of quick release plate. Arca make a number of different large format 6.9, 5.4 and 10.8 cameras. The rail fitting on those cameras is designed to fit directly onto this quick release system, which means we don't need to add an additional quick release plate to our Arca large format camera. I think that's probably about all we need to say about these heads. Thank you very much for listening. If you need any more information, please, it's robertwhite.co.uk. Thank you.